morning everyone, and today is May 10, 2026. So I'm driving right now, heading back to Lacombe, Alberta from BC. Alright, so this is still in BC right now, taking the 24 Highway 24. Yan. Gusto ko lang ipakita ang aking dinadaanan pabalik sa Alberta. Ayan po. Maganda rin ang kanilang highway po dito, mga daan, not bad. And right now is 5:07 a.m. Maaga ako umalis para hindi ako gabihin makarating, kasi it's about 10 hours drive. Okay. Ayan. Very nice highway. The road is very clear. Yan sa side ko, ang ganda ng mga view. Gusto ko sanang mag picture stop, but I decided or prefer to keep going because malayo pa yung aking babaybayin. Nice, eh? I don't have any music or background for now dahil walang signal dito pa. On and off ang signal kasi nasa pagitan ako ng mga bundok o bulubundukin, forest, kaya the signal is not that great. There is a deer. Kanina maaga, ang dami doon sa area namin. Before I turn or exit to Highway 24. Nakakasawang tignan yung view. Wala pang masyadong sasakyan o nakakasalubong dahil maaga pa. Baka maya maging busy na yung highway, or marami ng sasakyan. Yun, mayroon pa ako, may sinusundan pala ako. Sarap mag-drive pag ganito, walang halos kasalubong. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. It's just a little bit cloudy. Hopefully it's gonna be clear later. lane, 3 lane yung daan. Pag medyo liko or ano, nagto 2 lane, 3 lane I should say. Yan. It's gonna be 2 lane now again. Yan. Straight na naman. Alright. I guess that's the sunrise. Diyan magmumula ang araw. Look at the mountain. Lumiliwanag na po ang sky. Ganda oh. Look at the mountain. Paputi-puti pa yung ibabaw. May mga snow pang hindi natutunaw. Alright, lumiliwanag na. Wala pa rin akong nakasalubong. Isa. Parang hindi busy highway ito ah. Pero this highway actually ay mahaba-haba. About 80 here. About an hour from the other highway, highway 5. Then connected to highway 16. All the way to Alberta na yan. Squirrel. Brake check. Okay. Siguro kwanto slope. Yan, pababa. Oh, look at that. The sky. Bababa dito. Yeah, may mga sign ng falling rocks. Ooh, look at the scenery view. Remember when I came this is the road that is so long, like about 2 hours mula sa highway 5 I guess. papunta ako paakyat nito. So ako naman pabalik, pababa ng pababa. Nice. Oh, my left side. Look at my left side. The view. Ganda. It's like a cliff in my other side, and my other right side is a mountain. Yeah, that's my right side. And my left side is wala. May mga kahoy, hindi siya open. Hindi makita. Alright. Another good view. There. We'll see. Here. Maybe open a bit here. My left side. No. Still same. Okay. There you go. Open. See? Look at the other side. Oh, may sign ng deer. Be careful, be careful. Baka may tatawid. Yan, medyo flat na. Highway.
To continue straight for 30.1 kilometers.
Okay, Highway 5. This is now Highway 5. Yellowhead North. So ito yung isang mahaba-haba na highway. Ayan, to Jasper, 349 kilometers. That is connected to Jasper. That's Alberta. Okay, look at the view. Hindi ka magsawat. Okay, that's a lake or river maybe. Yeah. Water, oh. So this highway is about 3.5 to 4 hours until a boundary or Alberta. Yan, I'll still or showing you a bit the part of Highway 5. Yan. So dito medyo flat but still mountainous in my left side this time and open in my right side, like see, clear water. I think this is a part of Clearwater area, the name of the town. Yeah. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. In every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Okay, look at the side, the view. May mga farm na dito yata. Now this is Clearview area. Still a part of BC. Biyahe ko po ay about 1/4 pa lang. Not even halfway. Speed right now is 106. +8. So that's cool. Very nice weather. Ooh, look at that. That's the running water or river. Ang aking daan ay parang pabalik-balik lang. Ito may a little bit different kasi may water sa side. Nakikita na yung river. But the road is like kind of the same. The side, the view, other view I should say. Yan. Ayan, meron na akong nakakasalubong na mga sasakyan, big trucks. Ayan. Haba-haba pa ang biyahe. Yan, another different view here. Pakita ko. A little bit different the view. Maya-maya medyo tapusin ko na or i-off ko na yung video kasi I have to save some of my batteries. Meron naman akong charge sa sasakyan or direct sa aking sasakyan, pero mas maganda na I have more battery, extra battery. Kasi medyo mahaba pa ang aking biyahe. Oh, nice view on the other side. And my other side, Rockies. And my left side is open with the high mountains. outside of the highway. Hindi masyado malapit ang bundok. Medyo flat yung side. Yan. But it still looks really the same. Nothing really difference. Blue River. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Magpa-fill tayo ng gas. Fill tayo ng gas dito. Kano kaya ang gas? Yan. Ooh, $2 something. $2 something. $205.9. Yan na. Alright, alright.
Turn left.